Here I've got KENXINDA V6 and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first let's open the messages, and as you can see now, if you will be writing something, you've got the English dictionary here and no other possibilities. So let me go back. And now let's open the settings, find and select languages and input, go to the languages and smoothly add some other languages, the one that you would like to have. So we can pick Spanish and, for example, Dutch. And now let's go back. Now we've got 3 languages added to our device. Let's open the messages one more time. Just give it a sec. Go to the messages. And we can go back to this message. And as you can see here, on the word icon, you can change the language. So now it's Dutch, Espanol, and if you will have some other language, some other letters, then they can be smoothly changed. So this is it. This is how you can change keyboard dictionary in your device. Then you can switch between languages just by tapping on this word icon right here. As you can see, they are changing. So that would be all. This is how keyboard dictionary can be changed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.